Hello, welcome to Genius channel. We are going to see some previous year Nda Maths questions. Okay, all of you see the question number 24. Question number 24. What is the inverse of the matrix? A is equal to cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0. You have to find the inverse of this matrix. Okay. So I'll give you 2 minutes for doing this question. All of you try this yourself. This is coming from the chapter matrices. Okay. And we know A inverse is equal to, what is the formula for A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So first do determinant, then find adjoint. If you don't know this formula, please write down. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So how to find determinant? We have already studied what is determinant of A. From here, it is better here you can expand that using the third row because we have 2 elements as 0. So expand using third row, that would be easy. Then we have only 1 into, say remove this column, remove this row, cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta minus sin theta into sin, minus sin theta into sin theta, that is minus sin square theta. So answer is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Determinant of A is 1. Determinant of A is 1. Now we have to find adjoint of A. So how to find adjoint of A? For finding adjoint, we need the cofactor matrix, isn't it? Minor and then cofactor, isn't it? So first we'll find the minus. M11, M12, M2, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. For every element, you have to find minor first. Do it. So first take the first element, remove it, remove the first column, first row, then cos theta minus 0. So that is cos theta. Then second one, like this, complete it. Take the second element, remove that row, remove that column. So minus sin theta into 1, sin theta minus 0. So minus sin theta. Similarly, do this third one. Remove that column, remove this row, so 0 minus 0, so that will be 0. Then next, this one. Remove this column, remove this row. So sin theta into 1, sin theta. Likewise, complete it. Now what you can do, find the cofactor. After finding minor, find the cofactor. A11, A12, A13, A14, A31. So A21, A22, A23. Likewise, find out A31, A32, A33. So how to find cofactor? Remember, to find cofactor, you have to just take the just do if 1 plus 1. Here if it is 1 plus 1. It is 1 plus 1 is 2, even number. So you can copy that same thing, cos theta. For A1 to 1 plus 3, 2 is 3. That is odd number. So change the sign. So minus sin theta will become sin theta. Then A13, that is 0. So you can keep that 0. Then 3, 1. So 2, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So say change the sign. Minus sin theta. A22 cos theta. Copy that there. A23, 0, 0, 0. A33, that is 1. You can copy that because 3 plus 3, 6 is even. So we got the cofactors, isn't it? So we got the cofactors. So I'm just clearing the minus. Then what is the cofactor matrix? What is the cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix is cos theta, sin theta, 0, minus sin theta, cos theta, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now find adjoint matrix. Adjoint. Adjoint means transpose of cofactor, isn't it? Adjoint means transpose of cofactor. So cos theta, sin theta, 0, minus sin theta, cos theta, 0, 0, 0, 1. So that is adjoint matrix. Now put in this formula. What is the formula for finding A inverse? A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. So here A inverse is 1 by determinant. Determinant we got 1. So it is just cos theta minus sin theta 0. Sin theta cos theta 0. 0, 0, 1. Cos theta minus sin theta 0. Sin theta cos theta 0. 0, 0, 1. So that answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. So that was a direct question. Let's go to the next question. Question number 26 we'll see. 25 we have already seen in the last video. We'll see the question number 26. If A is equal to this question, if A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3 and A square minus KA minus I2 is equal to O, O means 0 matrix. I2 is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then what is the value of K? Direct one from your NCERT textbook. So A square, first of all, find out A square. A square means A into A. Okay, all of you know how to find the product, right? You have to first take this column, sorry, this row, this column. Then take the first row, second column. Like that you have to do. So what did you get? You'll get 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 6, 7, 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 2 plus 6, again 8, 4 plus 9, 13. So you got a square. Now what you need? You need Ka. Ka. Ka means K into this A. So that is 1K, 2K, 2K, 3K. Isn't it? Next is I2. I2, they have said it is an identity matrix. So I2 is identity matrix of order 2. 2 by 2. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Now substitute here a square, that is 5 minus Ka. 5 minus Ka means this first term, 5 minus K minus I2, 1. That is the first term. Then 8 minus 2K minus 0. Next is 8 minus 2K, again 0, because we are just substituting here. Next is 13 minus 3K minus 1. Okay, so what you are getting here, just solve it. This will be 4 minus K. And this one they have given 0. Okay, when you do this, they are telling you get a 0 matrix. So this is 0. Then this is 8 minus 2K. This is again 8 minus 2K. This is 12 minus 3K. That is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so we got a square minus Ka minus I2 as this one, that is given as 0 matrix. So we got 4 minus K is equal to 0. Compare this. Here 0, 4 minus K is equal to 0. 4 minus K is equal to 0. That indicates K is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. Option A. K is equal to 4 is the correct answer. Just one. Let's go to the next question. Question number 29. Question number 29. Let greatest integer function x, that is, let x denote greatest integer function. What is the number of solutions of the equation square minus 4x plus greatest integer function of x is equal to 0? In the interval 0, 2. In the interval 0, 2. So for this, I am splitting this interval as 0, 1 and 0, and 1, 2. I'm just going to divide this interval into 2 and just going to check that. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to do case 1 as 0, 1. So case 1, I'm going to do for the interval 0, 1. So our equation is x square minus 4x plus greatest integer function is equal to 0. Now see which is the greatest integer function of the interval 0 to 1. Just 0, isn't it? Greatest integer which is coming just before 1, that is 0. So I'm going to put 0 here, x square minus 4x plus 0 equal to 0. So I'll get x square minus 4x equal to 0, or x is equal to x minus 4. That is x into x minus 4 equal to 0. That we can say x equal to 0 or 4. Then similarly, I'm going to, so I got x equal to 0 or 4, isn't it? But which is coming in this interval? In this interval, we have only 0. So x equal to 0 is the correct answer. Next, we are going to see 1, comma 2. So case 2, 1, comma 2. So here what we can do, here you see 1, comma 2 means we can use the same equation, which is the greatest integer here, that is 1. In this interval, greatest integer less than 2 is 1. So just solve it, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 4 plus or minus root of 12 will come, 16 minus 4, 12. Root 12 divided by 2a. 2a means 2 here. So you will get the answer as 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by, sorry, 2 root 3 by 2. I'm cancelling every 2. Every 2. So it will become 2 plus or minus root 3, isn't it? Because 12 I can write as 2 root 3, 4 is 2 into 2, cancelled all 2's. So what are the possible values? 2 plus or minus root 3. So listen, what is 2 root 3 value? Root 3 value is 1.732, isn't it? So one answer is 2 plus 1.732. Another answer is 2 minus 1.732. So 2 plus that will become 3.732 and this will become 0.268. So see here, these two values are not integers. These two values are not integers, and these are, and from this 3 is not in this interval also, 0, 2. But so we cannot take these two as the solutions, isn't it? Because they are not integers, as well as this 3.7 is not coming in this range 0 to 2. So only we have one solution, that is x equal to 0. So answer is option B, one solution. One solution. Okay. Understood? Next, go to the next question. Question number 30. Question number 30. Or we'll see the question number 27 now. 27. What is the number of triangles that can be formed by choosing the vertices from a set of 12 points in a plane, 7 of which lie on same straight line? Okay, so 12 points are there. So for drawing triangle, in how many ways we can take? From 12 points, 12C3, because we need 3 points, isn't it? And from among this, how many lie on same straight line? 7 lie on same straight line. So minus 7C3, because from points lying on same straight line, we cannot get triangle, isn't it? Okay, so 12C3 minus 7C3. Solve it. 12C3, 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 12 minus 3, 9 factorial minus 7 factorial by factorial into 7 minus 3, 4 factorial. So if I cancel 7 into 6 into 5, 3 into 2 here, so this will go. Then 12 into 11 into 10, then 3 into 2, 6, and this will go. So that is 2. So I'll get 220 minus 5, isn't it? Minus 35. 7 into 5. So answer is 185. Option A. 185. Option A. So thank you all. See you in another video with more questions. Thank you so much.